Hello everybody and welcome to Memphis, Tennessee on this February the 8th. It is February the 8th. It's hard to believe. Time is flying by and spring is approaching fast. But anyway, today's a pretty day. 54 degrees, so you have to take advantage of the warm days because later on in the week it's going to be in the 30s and 20s. We have yet to have any snow this year. I'm hoping for some. But anyway, on this warm day, I'm going to be cutting back my lamb's ears. I do cut them back once a year in the pre-spring time, which is now, because it's like a month away. A little over a month. But anyway, they need to be cut back. These are about 3 years old. I couldn't grow anything in this area because it gets lots of shade and hardly any water because it's on the part of my house that I forget about. So a couple of years ago I planted these lamb's ears and I just had them up to maybe this third brick over, and now 3 years later they've come out this far, which is about 5 feet. I have shared them with other people and they are pretty maintenance free. And they do give you a nice flower, purplish flower in the summer. Anyway, I'm hoping by next year they'll keep on going over. They're going to have to fight with my mint plant, which is right there. Anyway, like I said, they are maintenance free. I'm just going to be cutting them back. I just use regular scissors. And it takes me probably about 20 minutes. So I will show you the results here in a second and see you in a few seconds. Okay everybody, I'm all done cutting back the lamb's ears. It turned out good. Trimmed them back about 2 inches from the ground. Thinned them out in areas. Put this pine needle mulch on top. Just pine needles. And I think we're ready for the spring now. I think they'll be happy and they'll keep on going over and get thicker, give us nice flowers. So just remember that lamb's ears are a great sharing plant. They're a good ground cover. They don't require much maintenance and they're just lovely, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, I do thank you and talk to y'all later. Bye.